Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So I am about to show you guys how I accomplish my hairstyle. A lot of us have did the big chop, as we call it, and many of us maybe don't know how to style our hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I take a 4C textured hair to this curly luscious curls that you guys are seeing here. So if you're interested in seeing how I get my hair this way or this style, then stay tuned. So here you have me with the Mielle leave-in conditioner. I am going to spray this in my hair to get my hair a little soft, because again my hair is really thick. So we're going to rub this product in my hair just to get a little soft, and it's all over my face, but never mind. I'll get it in there somewhere somehow. And I'm going to make sure I really saturate it in my hair and rub it properly. Again, that's the Mielle leave-in conditioner. And just rub it until it's fully moisturized or everywhere in your hair. And I'm just making sure I'm getting my sides and not my face. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with the Mielle. And this is the curl. And this is a curl enhancer, and that's how thick it is. And I'm going to rub it in my hair all over the same way how I did with the leave-in conditioner. And if I can just avoid my forehead, I guess because my head is so small, I'll get the products everywhere. But just make sure it's in your hair and not on your face, okay? Just make sure it's everywhere, and just make sure it's getting to your root or the root of your head. And you see my hair start looking a little curly. Yes. And I'm just making sure that I have it everywhere. All right. Now I'm going to go in with Miss Jessie Gel Soft Curl. This product is what's going to take my hair to the next level. And yes, I put a lot in my hair because remember, my hair is really thick. So you got to put a lot of product in there to get it curly. So I'm going to make sure I spread this product all over. Now I'm going to start going in circular motion with my hands. If you watch the way how I'm rubbing in Miss Jessie gel in my hair, I'm making sure that it's going everywhere in my hair. And don't worry about that white residue that you're looking at. It will definitely go away. I'm going to keep rubbing it all over and making sure that my curls are getting defined. Yeah. Just keep rubbing. And rub and rub and rub, circular motion now. And what you're doing is training your hair to get into that curl pattern. So I'm going, instead of using that sponge to do the curl motion, I use my hands. All right. And you guys can see the curls start to define already. And I'm going to go in just to make sure I am separating them, because there are times that they're going to get clumped up together and I don't want it looking clumpy. So I'm going to try to separate them, and I'm doing my side. I think my side may be a 10C. I may be exaggerating, but yeah, it is really hard. I got some Sophia here. Yeah. Now I'm going to go with the Eco Gel. This is the bad boy. Now the Eco Gel is going to take my hair to another level. And I'm going to put a lot of Eco Gel in my hair. Remember, we're trying to get this 4C grade hair to be curly. So we got to put a lot of products in it. And again, I'm going in that circular motion. And you may be looking at it like, oh girl, you look like somebody back from another country. But don't worry. This hair going to be pulled together. Circular motion, especially on the sides, because my sides is lower than the top, as you can see, which gives me a little more problem to get the curls defined. And I'm separating the curls again at the front because I don't want it looking too clumpy at all. And I'm defining all that again. Just want to make sure. I do not care for the clumpy look. I prefer to have a curly look, so I just make sure I have enough product in my hair. And so I'm doing a definition that Gabriella showed me to do, but I think she don't have the type of hair that I got, so that ain't gonna work for me. So now I'm just gonna try to separate my curls, because the longer my hair gets is the harder for some reason to separate the curls. And that's all I'm doing, is separating the curls all over my head with my hand. Just trying to get my hair not to look so clumpy, because I don't like it. All right, just keep doing the circular motion, guys. Keep doing that circular motion. And again, you may have to go back and separate the curls a little more, but do it to how you like it. This is how I like it. But this is one way that you can get your hair looking curly. In the event you did the big chop, you can get it looking curly. And this style will last a whole week. So keep separating the curls. And if you're tired, do not go to your bed with your curls just looking like that and tell me, oh, Paula, you said it will last a whole week, and it did. No. Tie your head up with a bonnet and it will last for a whole week. All right. And then I'm going to show you guys what I do with my edges. Because I know way I'm going to go out looking like that, right? Yeah. So I'm still separating the curls. And there may be some areas that I never get to, especially in the back, to separate the curls, because I'm not able to see it. But that is all I'm going to do. And then one more thing. Now this is the Design Essential Foam Wrap. You can use any foam wrap. You could use, there's not many foam wrap out there. I remember the other one. The Nairobi, you can use a Nairobi, but I choose to use Design Essential because I don't have any white residue left on my hair when I use this one. And that's an old toothbrush. Do not use it to brush your teeth. So all I'm doing now is to use the foam to help the gel to distribute properly in my hair. And again, I learned this from Gabrielle, a YouTube follower that I do follow. She has her hair like mine, or low like mine, but she do a little more curl defining than I do. But that's all I'm doing to make some baby hair at the front. I want it to look really nice. And again, this will last you for a whole week or 2 weeks. Sometimes I go 2 weeks if you keep your hair tied at night. And I'm just making the baby hair at the front. I'm already finished. I'm just doing a little, I cannot do finger waves, so that is all that I can do to that side. I was trying to do finger wave, but it didn't work. So just comb your baby hair and make it look as natural as possible. And again, that wrap, the foam wrap helped the gel, the same eco-friendly gel, to distribute properly in your hair. I'm just checking as I go to make sure that my side is looking the way I like it. And from the way that I'm dancing, yeah, I'm liking it. I'm just doing the other side to get my baby hair looking wonderful. And that's what helps to frame your face and just give this look just a nice finish look. Now you can do this as many times as you want to. And sometimes your edges will need a retouch. You can always go in and retouch it. It's no problem. Which is applying back the same foam wrap and some eco gel and your used toothbrush, or they have some edge brushes now that you can purchase, but I don't see the sense. Especially, I know you all have some used toothbrush that you're not using anymore that you can use instead of purchasing it. I don't like to see the separation right there, so that's why I'm trying to curl my hair towards it so it doesn't look like there's a separation, because I don't like it. And I know you may be wondering why there's so many white. It will, as I said again, don't worry about the white residue. It will all go away and I'm done. Yes. What? I just brush my back right there and I'm done. Like really done. Like what? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to diffuse my hair because listen, the last thing you want is a cold. Yeah. Last thing you want is a cold outside with your hair wet. And my body doesn't do well at all with, I get a cold quickly. That's what I'm trying to say. So make sure you're even half dried. You don't have to dry it all the way, but make sure you're dried somewhat, especially in the top. All right, so I'm going to dry my hair now. There you go. And just keep doing that until it's completely dry and you like it, or half dry, however. And you guys can see this is how I accomplish my style. Wasn't it easy? Yeah, it was very easy. Very, very easy. And again, you can keep playing with it in the more you know, dry, you see some areas you want to touch up, you can go ahead and touch that up. Yeah, I'm feeling myself. I know. Yep, that's it. All right. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, share this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions on the products that I use in this video or substitute that you can use to accomplish what I did. Then leave a comment below and I'll answer you guys there. God bless y'all and I'll see you all on my very next video. Bye-bye.